This tutorial will guide you through troubleshooting the no sound problem in FC Mobile. If you're experiencing issues with missing game audio, commentary, or sound effects, follow the steps to restore sound and enhance your gaming experience. Before we start, make sure that your Wi-Fi is on because it will be part of the tutorial. So let's begin. Open the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down until you locate the Apps tab. After you locate the Apps tab, tap on it to open the apps. While we are in the Apps tab, click the FC Mobile app if yours is in the recently open apps. If it's not, just click See All Apps to see all the available apps on your device. Now that you are in the app info of the FC Mobile, tap the Force Stop button first to make sure that the FC Mobile app does not run while it's closed. After that, just tap on the Storage and Cache tab. While we are inside this tab, just tap on the Clear Cache button first to clear all the caches. After that, just clear the Click Storage button to clear all the files, including the updated version of FC Mobile. Now let's go back to the main screen and tap on the FC Mobile app to automatically update the app using Wi-Fi, since like I said earlier, make sure your Wi-Fi is on. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve the sound issues in FC Mobile. Always start with simple checks before moving to more complex solution. If the problem persists after trying all the steps, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance. Enjoy your game with full restored sound.